Hi guys, this is Peter CEO as Tech. So today I'm gonna be teaching how we can work with dark web and then the normal procedure and a safety measure on how you can work with dark web. So the first thing you have to do is to navigate to Tor Browser, search for Tor Browser. So this Tor Browser is the first way to log in into the dark web, and also the normal surface way to enter the dark web, because there is also another way we actually enter using trial to log in. But for now, we're gonna be using Tor Browser as a normal procedure for beginners. So I'm gonna use this. So this procedure is just a simple way, and then there is another way whereby you burn a software on the flash drive, and then you make use of the flash drive to log in into the dark web, so that anything you do will be so much out of your computer, and then very safe to navigate to. So the next thing you have to do is to navigate to this download tour. You see it here, it say I'm using window laptop, so I'm gonna be choosing window. There is Mac, Linux and Android, so I'm gonna be using this. So once you've downloaded it, because once you click on it, it's gonna download here, but I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna navigate straight to the one I've downloaded before. So yeah, I have it here. So this is the one I downloaded it. I have it before. So next thing, you have to click on open to install it. So you choose your preferred language, but I'm using English, of course. That's the only language I understand. So continue anyway. The reason why is because I have it on my laptop before, but I actually don't use it on this normal surface way. I make use of it on my flash drive, because I don't log in into dark web on my normal laptop. So, but the best way is to use the way I make use of. But I'm gonna drop the video very soon, not right now, because I'm kind of in a tight schedule, so I just have to manage the time frame. So I will drop the tutorial on how you can make use of or log in into the dark web using just your flash drive and the way you log in into it. Thank you. So let's wait till this is done. So once this is done, you see it show like this, but I don't want to run it right away, so I will click this and finish. Now the next thing to do is to make use of your VPN, because I make use of hide my VPN, so I'm gonna be using that. So you choose the VPN to your preferred location, but I don't actually care about the location. We just want to add some extra layer. That's my personal IP address, so I just want to add another extra layer. So you click on this to. So once your VPN is successfully connected, now the next thing to do is to log in into your dark web. So you are logging into your Tor browser, rather. Sorry. Now I have a screen like this. So now the next thing to do is to connect to your Tor. Now let's wait for this to establish a connection, because I've already used it before, but I uninstalled it so that I can start over, so you can get the tutorial. So let's wait to this actually set up. Yeah, I forgot to tell you this. Because I've already logged in into the into the Tor browser before. It's not gonna ask me the normal question it's supposed to ask when we just started. So, but first thing it's going to ask you is to connect to Tor. It's going to show up here to turn on to connect to Tor. So after you've done that, now you connect to Onion. And you get my point now. So you connect to Onion. That means you are officially inside the dark website now. Using Tor browser is like using Google Chrome, but the moment you turn on these Onions, that means you are inside the dark web. Now, the first thing to do is to secure yourself. After you have turned on the VPN, let's say hello, let it show up. So after you have connected to this, you can see it here, right here. It's a So, because I've already set up the connection before, so it has already connected me with Bridge. But that is not the case. That is not what I actually want you to see. But let me just show you right straight away. So now, the first thing is to navigate to your home. Now you scroll. You go to security, privacy and security, and then you scroll down. So I'm using enable HTTP mode only. And also, you're going to block JavaScript. That is why it shows up like this without no SSL, no design or anything whatsoever. You know, JavaScript actually collect some information from you. So the next is to come to security level and then you change it to the safest. So it's going to disable JavaScript for you, some fonts, and also some it only be HTML5 media. So these both are going to be disabled. This one is like you are just on a Chrome browser and it's not saved on the dark web. So it's better you make use of the safest, which I'm already on because I've already set that up. Now the next thing is to connect with Bridge, but I think I've already done that because like I said, I'm already using this. So you come to the connection, then you use Bridge. You can see it here. Now this is the function of the Bridge. So this is my browser. This is the bridge connection. Let me check the VPN I'm using. So I'm using Bridges. So already it has bridge everything for me. So I'm using France. Now if I reload this page again, it's going to change my IP address again. If you check the former IP address, you can see 62.154.51 France. So if you change it again, sorry. If you change it again, it's going to change your IP address. It will keep changing. Let's log in into a website. That is when it that works. I guess. So now, after you have connected to the bridge, this is the bridge I'm using, OBFS4. You can also get your own bridge using Google Chrome, but I don't think that is necessary here with you using this one. You can, I will teach you how to set that up on your own personal, or you use Telegram just to set up your bridge. So we have here, you can see we have Sweden and Germany. Here we have what? Here we have France. So you can see it keeps on changing. If you log in into another website, it's still gonna change it for you. You understand? So that is how it works. The bridge works. It just add another layers of security to your to your computer. Now, for example, someone logging into my website with this kind of IP address, I will have to trace this. After I trace this IP address, I will have to trace this again before you can even reach me. I'm already using a VPN with my laptop, so it has already changed everything. You understand? Now you when we check the former IP address, it's changed to, I think, British or something. You can see it changed to Poland again. So it's changed your IP address by time. You understand? To prevent you or to secure you from getting scammed or from getting hacked. Now that is how you change this connection. Then you change the setting. I can use my own VPN, or use my laptop VPN for Provix. So now let's test how that internet work. So let's use IdenWiki. That is the main website I make use of. Now, there is one thing about dark internet websites. Any website you are seeing on a dark internet has always end with .onion. Always end it. You can see it here. We have .onion, .onion, .onion. So that is how it works. Every website, on a normal browser, we have .com.ng, blah blah blah. But on your dark website, it always end with .onion. So this kind of domain, you buy it. For you to host a website on the dark web, you buy this kind of a domain and always end with .onion. So here you will find every website on the dark internet, kind of website, anyone you want to be using. And you can also keep on flushing or restarting your browser every time you choose, to prevent yourself from getting scammed and or from getting hacked. I don't know why I keep on using the scam name. Okay, so if you see this IP address, you can see it has changed to Germany, to Russia. Here we have Poland, Netherlands. So now there is this one warning. If you want to use the dark internet, use it for one purpose. you know let's say, for example, I log in into the dark internet to learn website development. The next time, you cannot be searching for website development, doing the same different kind of tasks on it. That will make you very very easy to find. But doing this particular site on your flash drive is just the most smart way to do this. Now this is the we have the idle wiki slash wiki.org. Now this is their official website. This is the normal Surface website. If you set this on a normal browser, it should show up. But here we have .onion, whereby it's their main official dark web website. But let's just keep on with this for now. Now we have different kind of thing you can do here. We have volunteer, no, introduction point, Ampere, clear internet search engine for Tor browser service. We have financial service, where you can forum type marketplace of the oldest and modest experience. Commercial, you can rent a hacker on blah 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 like that. Please, this is for educational purpose only. Here you can buy domain for .onion, your desired one. Yeah, and then we have a lot of things you can get here. Information, news that you cannot see on the normal websites, it's here. So that is yeah, hidden wiki. So that is what or how dark internet actually work. I hope you understand this. Now there is this one different kind of thing. You take the SSL level here. We have normal SSL level here, but here we have different kind of SSL level here. You can see the key different, the way the key shows up. This is the normal browser key. If you check on Chrome here, this is the normal browser key. You can see the kind of key. But on the Tor browser, it's kind of different. It's kind of different. You can see it here. So that is how you work with dark web. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this. Kindly please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. See you next time.